Welcome to the Musicato Station. Your friend Kingsley Monday. Today I want to share with you a very quick tip on how to play your B major scale. B major scale is a very important scale that you need to learn. Alright, let me get into this thing without much ado. Okay, for B major scale, we have this. Alright, that's the major scale. The next thing you want to do is to see how you can play some of the chord tones of this scale. Something like this. Alright, that's the chord tone. And the other thing that you also love to do is to see how you can pick up some arpeggiated exercises, like playing the scale maybe in 3-note succession, or maybe playing the scale in thirds, or playing the scale in fourths, and also playing the scale in fifths. This will be of help to you. So you might try something like this, maybe in 3-note succession. You may have something like this. Then in the ascending order, you can try this. Alright, you may also want to try in 4-note succession, something like this. Cool, you may also try the ascending order. And also you may also want to try it in third, something like this. You may also want to try in fourth, something like this. So that's the size of the lesson for today. Take your time, study the fingering charts, then play the scale bit by bit. And as you progress, step up the tempo and you'll be fine. Have good time for yourself. Happy shading. Please do well to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that, and also let this information reach other people, your friends, your loved ones. Happy shading. Enjoy.